All right, I've got my work area set up now. A few things we are going to do today is to restore this headlight to make it look like it's brand new.
And to attempt that, we are going to try this Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. However, I am going to try something different by removing both headlight assemblies from the car and do the restoration on the table. This is how they look like before restoration.
So we're gonna start off here with the left headlight. We've got 3 hex screws to remove, starting off with this one right here.
The size 8 hex screw on the right side.
Followed by these 2 at the lower section close to the bumper.
8mm and 10mm respectively.
For that simple task, we are going to use an 8mm hex socket. And a 10mm hex socket to loosen the bumper so that we have a little bit of wiggling space as we attempt to remove the headlight. The 2 screws or hex screws on the left are the screws that hold the headlight assembly onto the car, while the hex screw with the washer on the right is what holds the bumper onto the body.
With that said, there will be a total of 6 hex screws removed.
The left headlight is no longer attached to the body, but you can't remove it because this bumper is on the way. So we're gonna have to do the same thing on the right side. You can now see the right headlight is now released, yet the bumper is still on the way. As you can see, I've been able to wiggle it out of its assembly area. Now it's time to start unplugging them.
But before I remove the left headlight assembly from the car, I already removed this bulb cover from behind. I just wanted to show you that the cover is actually bulky. It's easier to remove it before attempting to wiggle out the headlight. And now I am going to spray clean with WD-40 contact cleaner.
What we did in the on the left side, the headlight assembly, I removed this so there's more wiggle room, less room for things to be bumping around and preventing me from pulling it out.
In the right headlight
Your
area.
hex screws need these clips here in order for them to screw on tightly again. So make sure that they don't get lost and that they return in their proper place if they're accidentally removed. Now the right headlight assembly is about to come off. Okay, now that it's loose, it's time to unplug the assembly from the car. And just like we did with the left headlight, we remove the covers in the back to be able to expose the bulbs, making it easier for us to be able to replace the bulbs. And you'll notice that they all are the same size as that of the left side, so if you accidentally interchange them, it's fine. Spray it with a WD-40 contact cleaner and let it all drip out. We're gonna take advantage of this time to clean out the innards of this car while the headlight assemblies are off. Same thing goes for the right side. I'd say that's a significant improvement now. And there you go. Even the right side is all cleaned up. So this is what an S-Class W220 looks like if you rip its eyes off. Before we get started restoring the lens, we are going to inspect and clean the rear housing first. After making sure we understood the restoration instructions, we thoroughly washed the lens of the headlights first. All right, let's begin the restoration. Applying step 1 of the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. Step 1 is the oxidation remover. You can tell the difference now. The one with the Cerakote applied and the one without. This is step 2. We scrubbed it wet with 2000 grit, rinsed, and then scrubbed again with 3000 grit, and then rinse. Same thing was done for the step 2 is done here on the left headlight. And on the right headlight. We are now ready for step 3. Okay, applying step 3, the actual ceramic coat. Okay, now step 3 is done. We're letting them dry for just an hour.